Hello, beautiful family. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, today I'm gonna share with you this website mc.com, MC Money, and money from receiving text messages. Yes, you can make money anywhere you are. They say get paid real money for helping them to improve worldwide communication. That's it, okay? What you're gonna do is just to download this app called MC Money. Yes, you can download this website. And how you can get started, the first step is to download this app, okay, the apk on your phone. Proceed the installation, register your phone number, also start receiving messages to make money online. Okay, what are MC Money? By letting them send you messages to your phone, you allow them to test and improve mobile operations. Putting this app in your phone, you help mobile operator to work together and not by important each message you receive add more money to your MC Money bank. Okay, you have to create an account on mcmoney.com. Okay, this is really money, guys. You can earn really money, as they say here. So how to earn money with your MC Money? Download MC Money app, follow the registration process, verify your phone number. We will send them SMS through your phone number. Every received messages add money through your balance. Cash out and at any time after you hit the threshold. You gain bonuses for every friend that you refer to MC Money app. You can see this frequent asked question. This is really important because if you refer someone, your friend, you start earning money. Earn cash, just inside the app. We send you the random text messages once in a while. You will earn money for each received text messages from them. MC Money work on Android only, yes, because they use only Android to allow them to process the result. Okay, so to process the result on SMS text messages that they send you through your phone. Okay, they say MC Money is extremely safe, secure you to use. Your personal data is handled according to your strict privacy rule. Yes, guys, now I think it's clear now that you can apply, not even apply, download this app, MC Money, mcmoney.com. You can go to your Google browse, mcmoney.com, download the app, and then you would help in technology. Here there is frequency asked question. They say about general. They say what does the MC Money work? You can read. You can download the app from their website. Register your phone number. Also, you receive your first messages in 3 days. Which phone type are compatible? We have answered that. On Android, how much money will I make? It depends surely, because they say you'll be paid for every received messages that you got recognized by their server. The amount referred per country and shows in the MC Money app is earnings. Okay, why do I earn money for receiving messages? Another one, do I receive money for every text messages that I receive? You will get money for every text messages that MC sent you through your phone, and then this does not include your private messages. What should I do with the text messages? The messages that they recognize on your gets directly forwarded by MC Money inbox. After a need is shown in the MC Money app, you are free to delete messages from your phone inbox. Wow, this is good because you just receive the message and delete, receive, delete, receive, delete. That's it. Okay, can I read any other incoming messages? No, only SMS with correct 16-digit code get forwarded through their server. Alright, they say, is it safe to use this app? It is safe and it is rigid. Okay, how do I earn money? They say, when you first register your phone, you receive welcome bonus. That is the first step. After that, you receive the amount of each of the text messages that you can receive. Okay, so there is many other incentive from time to time, like bonuses for referring people through these messages. Okay, through this platform. The text messages from MC Money arrive in my spam folder. Are the SMS dangerous? No, these messages are not dangerous. If you are still doubting on content of the message, please contact them. You can rather check the safety twice instead of causing any damage. This is really important. If you don't feel like you understand the whole procedure, just call them, then they will make you to understand. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Yes, share with your friend. You can earn money through online. Guys, there is money online, but it need persistence, and you have to be there every single day. It's not only through this app. There is so many applications that you can download in your phone and make money online. Even if you gain maybe $20 per week, that's okay depending on your application. This can help you to pay some of your bill. Thank you so much again for watching. I love you all. May God bless you. I should give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.